Hello everyone, welcome back. So the first thing here to grid is deprecated in the version of 6. Okay, so in this, so grid is deprecated. So you see here this line represent grid is deprecated, but we have checked the documentation and get the solution. That is here you can use this basically you can import like this. Okay, material grid to okay instead of like this you see on the top here you have imported like this. hmm Imported from the material basically at the rate AMUI then first list material. So in my opinion the developer changed the its path. Basically it's folder, you know that here you see it inside IMUI material then grid it. So just copy this, then here on the top right here import grid from the IMUI material grid 2. So now at this time you see that here your the message is removed. Okay, that is grid deprecated, got it. So now just here everything is fine. Then after that the here inside it we have text field. Okay, like text field for the name, email, phone, password. You see on the top here we have already defined all this state variable like name. For the name create an input field, for the phone also create an input field, for email also create an input field, for the password. And this is a use for the visibility. Okay, basically toggle your password, so we will use it later on. But for this here we will create in the four input field. Okay, inside your grid you see here. I think this is your box. Here it's below. Okay, typography. So here register typography, so here right. It's below. Okay, your text field, text field component you have already imported on the top. So just here write the text field, and then here write the text field. Okay, label, that is it, name. Okay, this is label text. Here write the label equal, that is the label is name. The next one is the variant outline style for the text field. Variant outlined out, got it. The next is to inside here margin is normal. Okay, standard margin around the input field. So you write the margin. Inside it you have a normal. Here write the normal, got it. Then here value is bound to the name state. That is the value is name. Value equal. Here I think value is name. Okay, so here you have already defined this state. You see on the top, basically this name. Okay, this name that here inside it value is a name. Okay, so it hold the value whatever user type. Okay, next is to here we have function set name. So basically it is used to update the state on input changes. So here we have a method event on change equal. On change, then you write the arrow functions. Then inside it here you have functions that is a set name, and then inside it you have a e dot target that values. Okay, and then here you can access the event. Okay, got it. And this function, so you have already defined set name on the top. You see this function, I am talking about this function set name. Whatever user type, then that value we will store inside a name. Okay, state variable, then we will get here. Okay, value inside a text field as a name. Okay, now so here just fine. Then after that the thing here, let me check here. Let refresh here. You see it here we have a field, but it is not visible. Okay, on the click it is visible. So here I want to go to implement a style like it's input props like white text inside it. Okay, Now you see if you write anything here, that is it is not visible. Okay, so for that here we have props like input props. Okay, so here we will provide some styles inside it. Okay, so let here open this code, and then inside it here input props. So here write the input. I think input label prop, input label props. hmm It is also deprecated. I don't know why it is deprecated in the latest version. But fine. So just here, write the style. Right here the style inside it. Here write the color, then white. Okay. Here's something wrong. I think. Style. Then color is white. I know that here the issue with this line of code. Basically, here write in the bracket. Okay. hmm Input label props color is white. So just refresh it. Now you see it is working, guys. It is working. It is deprecated, but still it is working. So fine. So you see that here. This is your input label props. It is the color is white. Got it? You click on this, then you see that here. Okay, it's basically this label props name. This is a white color. Okay, so it is totally working fine. So the next is to input props. Whatever you type, then that color should be white. So here we have input props. hmm Input props. Then inside it color is white. So white text inside the input field color. hmm Here we have a white. Then inside it the border color is blue. Okay. Basically here we have this border color. Here make it a blue. So for that here use the border color is blue. Border color. hmm That is blue. Got it? And then here write the comma. Fine. Then here color is white and border color is blue. So let me check here again. So just refresh it. Here getting something wrong. Border color props on DOM, but if you intentionally must want to appear in the DOM, here spelling wrong. So I know that this with what here. Here I think border color is blue. Let me write here in the small. Then check here what happened. Now the thing here is your border color is not visible, but if you write here anything, the thing here is also is not visible. So here what is the issue? Then here I think here the additional styles, so it is working. So here we have input label props, and then input props, then inside it here basically six here used for the additional styles. hmm I know that here what is the issue, guys. So issue is that this thing correct, and this is must inside your style. Then here remove this. Let me remove this. Then inside it here right. Let me check again here. Just refresh. Now you see that here the color is visible, but here is with your blue color. Okay, so it is working. So don't worry. Now I think it is working blue color or not. And the issue with hovering, if you click on this, they fix also this issue. Okay, don't worry. So this is input level props, input props. Then inside it, inside, let me formative document. Now fine. So after that, inside it, here you have sx. So inside it you can add the additional style. So just here write in the sx equal, inside it here input, and that is the color white. Okay, so your white text color inside the input box. Then here use the single quote, and inside it here write in the end space dot mui outline input root. Here basically set its border color here blue, border color when not focused also. So just for that, right here, that is a mui outlined input root. So the thing here, right, mui outlined line the input. Then you write the root, got it. Then inside it here write in basically MUI outlined input root. Then the next is again here use the single quote, and here use these operators, and here you have a field set. So here write the field field set, got it. Then inside it here border color is blue. You write in the border. Here we have border colors. Then that is the blue color. Got it. And the thing here also on the hover, it is a blue color. So just copy this. Then inside it here, paste it, and then here write the hover colon hover. Got it. Then after that you want the focus. When the user focus on it, and border color should be blue. So just paste it, and then here now in place of hover write MUI dash focused field set. Now I think fine. Let me check here again. Let me refresh this. Now you see it, guys. It is by default. Its color is blue, and on focus also blue, and on hover also blue. Now here it is totally working. If you write here inside it, then this color is white. Got it. Now it is totally working. Then basically this field, it is used for the name. Now the same thing used for the your phone number, and after that use for the email, and then after that the password. So just here, this is your let formative document. Then this text field copy, and then use for phone. Okay, so just copy this, and then it's below, paste it, and then this is now for the phone. Okay, so here right here the label is phone, and then in place of a value, okay, in place of value you write the phone, and set name. Basically in place of that you write the set phone function, and all this state variable we have already written you see phone set phone. Okay, so use basically phone set phone here. Go to the bottom, and then here in place of date for the phone, here in place of value, in place of name, right here the phone, and then again in place of set name phone. Set phone functions. Okay, you see set functions. So now fine. Then your next is to next is email. Yes, next one is email. So in place of that, here in place of label, here write the email. Got it? I think here type is email. Type here equal, that is the email. I think one thing here we have added another property, that is the full width. So you write the full. Okay. So and then this thing also used on the above. Here we have this phone. Okay, so use it here, and the next one is your name, also use it here. Now fine, so check it here on the top. hmm okay, so here you have already created the input field for the name, phone, email, and in the next video we will create the state field for the password. Okay, so thanks for watching. I will see you in the next videos.